नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक इन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी अड्डा एजुकेशन. If you are preparing for any competitive examination, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for getting all the notifications of our upcoming videos. In this series of Indian history, today we will discuss questions from archaeological sources with detailed explanation. All the questions are very important from your exam perspective. So watch till end of the video. At the end of the video, I will give you one question which you have to answer in the comment box. You can also download PDF file of our video lecture from our Telegram channel. Link I will give in the description. So let's start the video. The very first question is, which of the following sites is famous for stupas, monasteries, temple and pillars? Answer is Sanchi. Sanchi sites is famous for stupas, monasteries, temple and pillar. This is the image of Sanchi stupa. Sir, what is the Sanchi stupa? So Sanchi stupa is the Buddhist complex famous for its great stupas. Its construction started in 3rd century BC and it's located on top hill of Sanchi town, Raisen district of Madhya Pradesh. Its architectural style is Buddhist architecture. The Sanchi stupa built during the Mauryan period with bricks. So keep it remember. Let's see the next question. The Archaeological Survey of India in its current form established in? Answer is 1861. The Archaeological Survey of India in its current form established in 1861. Sir, what is the Archaeological Survey of India and what it actually does? The Archaeological Survey of India is a government agency attached to the Ministry of Culture and responsible for archaeological research and conservation and preservation of cultural monument in the country. मतलब कि आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया जो है आर्कियोलॉजिकल रिसर्च करता है और यह कल्चरल मोनूमेंट को प्रिजर्व करता है. द फाउंडर ऑफ आर्कियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया इज अलेक्जेंडर चिनिंघम एंड इट वाज फाउंडेड इन 1861 एंड हेडक्वार्टर इज लोकेटेड in New Delhi. So keep it remember. Let's see the next question. Which of the following site is associated with Ashoka pillar? Answer is Sanchi. Out of the following, Sanchi site is associated with Ashoka pillar. Ashoka was the greatest king of Maurya dynasty. Ashoka in his reign between 268 century to 232 century BC, he erected many pillars. Sanchi stupa was one of them. Sir, total how many pillars were erected or built in Ashoka's reign? So Ashoka's pillar erected in the district of Vaishali located in the Bihar state. This is one of the 19 surviving column erected or at least inscribed with edict by the Emperor Ashoka in his reign. So this is the pillar of Vaishali of Bihar. It is one of the 19 surviving pillar of Ashoka's reign. On the top head of the pillar there is one symbol given that in that symbol there are 4 animals and a Ashok chakra. Or it is called the Dharam Chakra. The 4 animals is named as a horse in the west direction, an ox in the east direction, an elephant in the south direction, and a lion in the north direction. As in the figure you can see that 3 animals are visible, 1 animal of the back side is not visible. The pillars represent the first physical evidence of the Buddha's faith. So this pillar is all about the Buddha's faith. Let's see the next question. Question number 4th, the Bodhisattva doctrine is associated with? The answer is Mahayana Buddhism. So Mahayana Buddhism is associated with Bodhisattva doctrine. Mahayana is a Sanskrit word which means great vehicle. So keep it remember, Mahayana is Sanskrit word which means great vehicle and its origin in northern India, and it teaches that enlightenment can be attained in single lifetime. And Mahayana Buddhism says that there are 3 aspects of Buddhahood. That means there are 3 bodies of Buddha. Dharamkaya, which means he is same thing as the ultimate truth. And second one is Sambhogkaya, that means Buddha's bodies of bliss or enjoyment. Third one is Nirmankaya, that means Buddha's earthly body. That means he is just like the other human beings body. Let's see the next question. Question number 5th is, point out which of the following sites has yielded the remain of Jaina stupa? Answer is Mathura. So Mathura sites has yielded the remain of Jaina stupa. It is very old and this is the picture of Mathura Jaina stupa. It was erected or built by the Jains for devotional purpose. पूजा के पर्पस के लिए बनाया गया था. Jain stupa dated to the 1st century BC. It is very old and also known as the Kankali Tila or Kankali mold. So keep it remember कि Mathura Jain stupa is also called the Kankali Tila or Kankali mold. 5 Jain stupa were built in the Mathura. So keep it remember. Let's see the next question. The Allahabad pillar inscription is associated with which of the following? Answer is Samudragupta. The Allahabad pillar is associated with Samudragupta. Samudragupta court poet and minister Hari Sen composed the Allahabad pillar inscription or Prayagraj Parasti. Allahabad pillar inscription is also called the Prayagraj Parasti. So keep it remember. And it was composed by the Samudragupta court poet and minister Hari Sen. So keep it remember. Let's see something about the Samudragupta. Samudragupta was the king of Gupta dynasty, and his wife was Datta Devi, and his father was Chandragupta I, and his mother name was Kamara Devi, and he was the successor of Chandragupta II or possibly Ramagupta. Let's see the next question. Question number 7. Who among the following presided over the Buddhist council held during the reign of Kansika at Kashmir? The answer is Vasumitra. It was Vasumitra presided over the Buddhist council held during the reign of Kansika at Kashmir. Presided का मतलब होता है संचालन करना, मतलब कि वासुमित्रा संचालन कर रहे थे. The fourth Buddhist council was held in the 72 AD at Kulwanka, Kashmir, and presided by Vasumitra, while Ashwaghosa was his deputy. The council was held under the patronage of Kushan king कंसिका ऑफ कुशान एम्पायर. जो कंसिका किंग थे वो कुशान एम्पायर के थे. कीप इट रिमेंबर. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ एंशिएंट इंडिया वाज राइटिंग फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट? The answer is Kharosthi. Script of ancient India was writing from right to left as like Urdu. It was the type of Abhiguda, and in which language it was writing? So Gandhari, Prakrit and Sanskrit. It is also known as Aryan Pali. And in which time period it was writing? 4th century BC to 3rd century BC this script was writing, and this script was writing in the Gandhar state, which is now part of Pakistan and eastern Afghanistan. So keep remember. Let's see the next question. Question number 9th. Who among the following is known for his work on the medicine during the Gupta period? The answer is Susruta. Maharshi Susruta is known for his work on the medicine during the Gupta period. Let's know something about Maharshi Susruta. Maharshi Susruta was born in Bihar, known for the author of Susruta Samhita. His scientific career was in the field of medicine, plastic surgery, डेंटिस्ट्री, ऑब्स्टेट्रिक्स यानी कि प्रसूति संबंधित, एंड ज्ञानाइकोलॉजी यानी कि स्त्री रोग से संबंधित. द टर्म आर्यन डिनोट्स a superior race. The answer is a superior race. The term Aryan denotes a superior race. Aryan name originally given to a people who were said to speak an archaic Indo-European language and who were thought to have settled in prehistoric times in ancient Iran and northern Indian subcontinent. The Aryan race was a racial group used in the period of late 19th century and mid 20th century. Aryans were also known as the Indo-Iranian peoples. So keep remember, as I promised at the end of the video, I will give you one question which you have to answer in the comment box. The question is, Hoysala monument are found in? The option is Sringeri and Dharwar. Option B Mysore and Bangalore. Option C Halbid and Belur, and option D Hampi and Hospur. So इसका करेक्ट आंसर कमेंट बॉक्स में दीजिएगा. वी विल डिस्कस दिस क्वेश्चन इन टुमारोज वीडियो. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए एंड डू सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर वीडियोस. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. हैव अ गुड डे अहेड. स्टडी अड्डा एजुकेशन बाय विवेक यादवंशी.